Subject and predicate. Ever wondered why some sentences feel awkward or incomplete? It is because they are missing their best friends. Every sentence has two besties, the subject and the predicate. Subject plus predicate is equal to complete sentence. When we make a sentence, we name some person or thing and say something about that person or thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. Hence, every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. Second one, the part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the sentence. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate. As, here comes the bus. There goes the bell. In the garden sat a cat. In imperative sentences, the subject is left out as sit down. Here the subject you is understood. Thank him. Here too the subject you is understood.